Assalamualaikum, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys an easy recipe, a delightful dish, whole baked fish with a yogurt marinade. So fish and yogurt, I know some people will be like, no, you're not supposed to put seafood with milk, dairy products, but I've been doing it and it's been totally fine and absolutely delicious. So let's continue along with our fish video and let's talk about the ingredients. Alright guys, so these are all the ingredients, all these spices that we are going to be using in this recipe. Got my nice red snapper here already cleaned by the husband, and these are all the other things that we're going to be needing. Got some plain yogurt, got my ginger and garlic, grated ginger garlic. I'm going to be using some garam masala, some cardamom seeds and coriander seeds in this. Some fresh rosemary. I got so excited when I saw this fresh rosemary. I'm just going to be using this in the fish today too. Got my salt, black pepper. Going to be using some ground spice, ground cinnamon, some roasted jura or cumin. For some spice, you know, we have to have spice. I'm going to be using some cayenne pepper. You can use ground chili as well, and I'm going to be using some whole clove in this as well. So you're probably saying I have been using a lot of the yogurt and these sort of spices like cardamom and the coriander, the garam masala in, you know, a lot of my recent videos. But to be honest with you, when I bought this stuff, you know, we don't usually cook with these types of spices. So when I purchased it for, I think it was the biryani recipe or something else that I would have done, I had a lot on my hands. So I figured, well, why not try to utilize it? You know, don't want it to waste. And you explore these different dishes. So this dish, it's like one of those Indian sort of inspired dishes with, you know, all these spices in it, and it's really, really good. So it's sort of like the marinade that we would have done for our chicken tikka masala and even the biryani, where we let it marinate with the yogurt and all the spices in it. Good stuff. So this is a pretty straightforward dish to put together. So the choice of fish, like you saw, was the red snapper that the husband caught already, cleaned it for me, but you can use any whole fish that you have on hand. This was just what I had at the time, so I'm going to be using that in this video, but of course experiment, play around with whatever fish that you have. So the first thing I am going to do is make some slits on both sides of the fish. Now this is just to help to get some of that seasoning in all of the little bits and pieces of the fish. Of course, you want it to marinate really well. So then I'm going to add the yogurt and all the other spices except the cardamom and the whole cloves and the coriander seeds, or if you're using coriander powder, you can add it in. Basically on the outside with this yogurt, we're going to be adding the powdered spices and seasonings. So you're going to rub it up all in there. Make sure you get it into those slits as well that we just made along the sides of the fish. So I'm going to be putting it onto a tray lined with foil already and greased. And this is actually the same tray that we are going to be baking the fish in. And on the inside of the fish, we are going to be putting rosemary and the cardamom seeds and the whole cloves. And if you're using the coriander seeds, you're going to be putting it in here. So any sort of chunky pieces of seasoning, we are going to be putting it inside of the fish. That fresh rosemary, now I go crazy whenever I see fresh herbs. I get super excited anytime I step into the supermarket and I see like fresh herbs. So I picked it up, not really sure what exactly I was going to be using it in, but I saw it, said why not, this would be perfect to use that rosemary in. So you put in that rosemary in there as well, and of course if you have any other fresh herbs, you can add it in. Now usually when you're doing these stuffed fish, you could put onions, you could put vegetables in it if you like, put your lime slices on it. You know, if you want to do all of that, it's all fine, but I've already washed it out and cleaned it out with the lime and the lemon juice. But if you choose to, feel free to add that extra lime or lemon slices in the fish or on top of the fish whenever you're ready to bake it. So once you have your fish all seasoned up, you are going to let this marinate for a long time, as long as possible. Now when you're ready to bake it, you want to remove it from the fridge and let it get, you don't want it to be too cold or cold at all when you put it in the oven. So you want to remove it from the fridge a little while before you go and you bake it. And we're going to be baking this at 375 degrees for about 40 to 50 minutes. Bear in mind though that the bake time will vary depending on the size of the fish that you are using, of course. Now I'm not going to cover the fish, I'm just going to let it bake through without the covering. But if you choose to cover it and let it steam through first, you can do it that way as well. You can cover the entire thing and just let it cook through fully, or you can cover it and then 3/4 way cook through, remove the covering and just let it finish cooking or finish roasting or baking in the oven. I'm just going to leave mine totally uncovered for the entire bake time. And there we have our whole baked fish with our yogurt marinade. It smells delightful. Anytime you're using those spices, the smell, the aromas from it is just amazing. So we are having this with a simple basmati rice and some vegetables to go along with it. Really, really simple thing, but you can have it with just about any dish, any other dishes that you would like to have it with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this baked fish video and recipe. Of course, you guys have been asking me for different fish options, meal ideas. I hope you guys appreciate this one and the last one I posted as well on that Kerala fish curry. I will also post a couple other fish dishes that I have down below so you guys can check them out as well, just in case you're looking for other fish options. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, of course, and don't forget to share with all your friends and your family. For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome to my channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification button as well. The bell notification button, that just ensures that every time I post a video, you get a notification so you can check out the video as it's posted, and of course share with all your friends and your family. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Just in case you're wondering what are some of the other options that you can do with yogurt, in case you did purchase a yogurt and not sure how else you're going to use it and worried about it wasting, I'll post a link down below for a couple of the videos and recipes that I have up on my channel where you can use that yogurt. We've got the yogurt dip, we've got the chicken kebab skewers, I've also have the chicken biryani, the tikka masala. So I'll post those all down below so you guys can go check them all out.